The piano.
Hi there, Catherine here. Welcome to your very first piano lesson.
Hi there, I'm Susie.
Before we start playing, I'd love to share a few little facts about the piano.
Cool, let's learn about the piano.
This is a piano. It's an acoustic instrument. It means that the piano makes beautiful sounds all by itself. It doesn't need to be plugged into electricity. This is a keyboard. It needs to be plugged into electricity for it to make any sounds. Both the keyboard and the piano have black and white keys that look like this.
So, how does the piano make any sound if it's not plugged in?
Good question. Well, when you press a key on the piano, it causes a small hammer inside the piano to hit a string. When the hammer hits the string, it vibrates and makes a sound.
But I don't see any hammers or strings.
That's because they're inside of the piano.
Oh, I get it! A piano uses hammers and strings, and a keyboard uses electricity.
Yeah, that's exactly right. Shall we have a little play now?
White and black keys.
Pianos have white notes and black notes. Let's play only the white notes first. You can play whichever ones you like. Can you play slowly like this? Holding down the notes and playing slowly. Let's play only the white notes first. Can you play slowly like this? Let's play the white notes fast this time.
How fast can you play? Have a go by yourself.
Well done. Now let's play only the black notes. Can you play the black notes really loud?
It's your turn to play loud.
Okay, now can you play the black notes soft and quiet?
Shh. How softly can you play? Have a go.
Well done, Jiggle Jammers. In the next part of the lesson, we're going to look at low notes and high notes.
Finish this lesson and watch many more inside Jiggle Jam Academy with a free 7-day trial. We have lessons in piano, singing, ukulele and music foundations. See you there.